Look at all of this stuff that was on the cabinets, in the cabinets. Refrigerator over there. I got all of the other cabinets are stuck here in the living or in the family room. And then this is the other side. And look at that. That is got machines everywhere. That's all black mold. And then that was where the refrigerator was. They had to take out half of the wall. Oh, jeez. This is just a mess. Oh, look at that. It looks like that was a mouse hole. Not sure. So we just put this back there. Geez, it's awful. Just awful. Yep. And we're living out of water bottles. They're bringing one of those those sinks, those plastic sinks tomorrow. This is just absolutely horrible. Absolutely horrible. Now I'll wait and I'll show you the